Do you want to speak English but you are waiting to be perfect before you start? If yes, this video is for you. Don't go anywhere. Hey everyone, welcome back to my day 17 of my 30 days English speaking challenge. Today I am going to show you how to practice English and how to improve yourself even with a small child. Yes, I am telling about my daughter. Today I will practice simple English conversation with my daughter. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Natasha.
Hi Natasha, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am also great.
You could say great, fantastic, or fine.
Oh, I am fantastic.
Fantastic.
I am fine.
Accent word again.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
What do you like to do?
I like to play chess and play with my football. Okay, Mom, now it's my turn to ask questions and you will answer.
I am ready.
What's your name?
My name is Jizarna.
What do you do?
I learn English every day.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Then tell me a sentence in English.
I am go to market.
Not I am go to market. You should not say that because since you are not going to the market right now, you should say I go to the market.
Oh, really?
Yes, that's right.
Oh, thank you for correcting me and thank you for a great conversation with me right now.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Okay, thank you. Today I learned something very important. There's no need an English teacher. There's no need perfect English. It only just need practice every single days. And today I understood there's no perfect time to speak English. Just I have to start. Before I was scared to speak.
I thought people would laugh at me.
But I understood there's no perfect time to speak English. Just I have to start now. And that's why I'm learning and I am improving. That's no matter I'm making mistake. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are part of our journey. So don't afraid to make mistakes. If you are learning like me, then join with me and let's improve and grow together. And please subscribe my channel if you want to watch more my learning journey video. Thank you for watching.